Hoy, mga ka-home foodies! Alam nyo, nasa mood ako ngayon to make something glazed. But, you know my personality, kailangan fussy. Plus, pantry-friendly. Ako nga pala, si Liana Tanner-Senas for Food Swings. So, gagawa tayo ngayon ng garlic honey glazed meat-free nuggets at saka honey orange and sriracha meat-free sausage saute. Diba? Ang dali lang yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Yung orange, hindi kailangan ng real orange juice. Pwede na. So tara, gawin na natin sa aking kitchen. So we'll start with our honey orange and sriracha meat-free sausage saute. So ito yung ating meat-free sausage made by VEEGA. You know, this has no preservatives added and it's a good source of fiber and protein. Plus, so easy to use. You know, as is lang, pwede mo na siyang i-grill, kung yun ang type mong gawin, i-grill, or pwede mo na siya i-pan fry, which is the normal way of serving yung sausages. So, ang gagawin natin dito for our dish is to cut this into 1/2 inch. This is so easy, open, oh, peel lang. Kakat natin siya into 1/2 inch pieces. So, you can do diagonal or gusto mo straight. So, ngayon ang feel ko, ang mood ko straight lang. So, I need to add my water. Yan, almost, ano na siya, nag-evaporate na yung water. Saka lang tayo maglalagay ng oil kasi sasatay na natin ang ating cube onion. Yan, this way, nare-retain natin yung moisture ng ating meat-free sausage. Yan, so I'll put na yung ating cooking oil para until, you know, lightly browned all over siya. And sabay ko na yung onion para maluto. Now, pwede ka rin maglagay ng red bell pepper for added color, of course, and added flavor boost. Actually, pwede ka na mag-stop dito lang sa point na to, tapos i-serve mo siya. Meron na siyang natural peppery note, kaya you don't need to really add a lot of mga spices or like additional pepper. Hindi na kailangan. Malasa na siya. Considering plant-based. Okay, the onion is almost tender, so i-add na natin ang ating glazing ingredients. So, we'll put in yung ating honey. Store-bought honey is fine. So, yung minsan may mga flavor yung honey, you can do that. Then, we'll add in sriracha. Ito yung magbibigay ng kick sa ating dish. Then, we'll also put in our orange juice. And then, lagay natin ating cinnamon. And salt. Yan. So, papatikan lang natin ng konti. Saka, lightly browned. Ang ganda pag na-brown yung sausage. So, tapos na itong ating honey orange and sriracha meat-free sausage saute. So, lipat naman tayo to another easy dish, ang ating garlic honey glazed meat-free nuggets. So, bago natin gawin yung glaze, ilagay muna natin ang ating VEEGA meat-free nuggets sa ating toaster. You know, hindi kailangan laging piniprito. And ang maganda sa product na to, pwede nyo siyang i-fry. At the same time, pwede rin lutuin via oven toaster. So, ginawa ko is reheated na yung oven para syempre mag-start na agad yung toasting niya. See? Easy to open. So, from frozen dapat yung pagkaka-toast sa kanya. Yan. Okay, so ipasok na natin sa ating oven. So, dito ay set muna natin for 10 minutes. Okay, habang nag-iintay, let's do our glaze. Okay, gawin na natin ang ating easy garlic honey glaze by just combining all ingredients. So, kailangan natin ng garlic. Ako may liga ko, tamad ako yung mga mince eh. So, finely crushed will do. Ating honey. Maganda dito sa recipe na to, fancy-friendly naman ang mga ingredients. Minsan may mga nagre-regalo sa atin ng honey. Tinitenga nyo lang, lalagay nyo lang sa kape o tsaa. Pwede yung gawing glaze. And then, pinaka-level up mo na is yung juice ng 1 lemon. So, yung size niyan, about 150 grams. You can experiment and gumamit din naman ng calamansi will be fine. Cornstarch, pampa-thicken natin. So, yung cornstarch, kailangan well-dissolved yan. Kasi, para mag-help thicken dun sa ating glaze. You have to constantly stir kasi may cornstarch kang nilagay. Pwede mong gawin bago mo i-heat up. Mix mo na siya lahat. Add ko na rin yung ating salt. So, ito, actually, you can prepare this way ahead. Kasi, yung isang recipe niya will make about 3/4 ng cups ng glaze. At kailangan mo lang ay 1/4 cup ng glaze for every 1 pack of VEEGA meat-free nuggets. So, isi-simmer lang natin siya hanggang slightly thick. So, this is it. Ready na ang ating garlic honey glaze. At ready na rin ang ating VEEGA meat-free nuggets. So, ito toss lang lightly para hindi sayang yung crispiness. Put it on a nice plate, syempre. Tapos, yung red chili pepper flakes, actually optional naman siya. But, kung gusto mo ng konting kick or heat, tsaka, you know, it adds, color to the final outcome. Lagyan mo lang ng konti. Actually, kaya ng mga bata to. Sa pizza nga ngayon, laging kasama yan. And of course, to make it really nice and with that sesame note, lagyan natin ng konting sesame seeds na toasted. You know, you want contrast, lagyan mo rin, gumamit ka ng black sesame seeds. Ayan, so this is our garlic honey glazed meat-free nuggets. Now, i-plate naman natin yung ating honey orange and sriracha meat-free sausage sauté. Minsan may nakikita kayong black spots sa, yung parang powdery na black sa onions. Actually, form siya ng, ng mold. So, dapat tinatanggal yan. Tawag din aspergillus niger. And it can be harmful to our health. Pwede mo ring lagyan ng snipped parsley for added color. Diba? Nakakatakam din pag may color sa dish. No? May vibrant color. So, the parsley breaks the monotony nung pagka-brown niya. Yan. That's good enough. Okay, so there you have it. This is your honey orange and sriracha meat-free sausage sauté. At yung ginawa natin kanina na garlic honey glazed meat-free nuggets. Diba? Sobrang dali ng mga glazes na ginawa natin, which you can do anytime. Plus, ang pantry-friendly ng ingredients. Diba? Sobrang ma-delicious. So, I will see you guys again, mga ka-home foodies. Dito sa Home Foodie, I'm Liana Tan Arsenas for Food Swings.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads.
Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, hindi lang nakakatakam, but siguradong ma-delicious!